ask me how we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. We on the same page, you the same way, only keep the fam around me. While we going out there, moving too fast, can't be paid with the windows all black, seats turn blue light. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money in the day. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, tell me when to go. Fuck around and find. It's not get better, you cannot do better. Make it will regret it. Oh yeah, you come for good. By yourself, by yourself, by yourself. That might help. Trading it all in for. Messing with the fuck.
We're outside.
We're outside.
So I think this is my intro actually. I haven't been vlogging ever since we came because we were just chilling. But today I'm vlogging. We are back. I really want to get into that pool, but it's
I
just
swear.
looking infested. So we're about to do some water activities. I'm so hungry. I'm actually hungry. I wish I took away
Right. I like the confidence.
I'm vlogging.
Confidence for me. It's confidence for me.
It's the confidence for you.
Walking with the camera.
This is my
like that.
job. This is
As
what
a
we do.
vlogger, that's it.
Oh, I didn't tell them where we are. We're in Lord's Palace. I'm sure you guys have seen it by now.
Yeah.
So we're in Lord's Palace for the weekend. For the weekend. We are about to commit suicide,
I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss of the road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you and only you. I got one bitch, you got one, and that there's the only two, man. How many times have I shown it, boo, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels of the road, okay? Funny how life goes. He thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you know him, and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they wanna know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's gotta happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's gotta happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's gotta happen. Hey, we'll see what's gotta happen. Hey, we'll see what's gotta happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss of the road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. Hey. Yeah, I got one lawyer, got one, and that there's the only two, man. How many times have I told you the truth, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving them potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels or fuck up the deals. I'm posted in Stockholm, it's me, the Owls, and the twins, it's only the real. I'm moving way too humble, easy and handed it off, I still got no fumbles. I'm on a hot 100, numero uno, this one ain't come with a bundle. I'm in the win, 1,000,000 in chocolate chips, and that's your time my cookie crumble. I put a skirt on the whip and a crown on the 6, but there's no need to dress up the numbers, ayy.
That's what I'm alive. It's not scary, but your mind
It's just telling you
makes it scary because
you know,
you just be thinking
no,
like,
it's because you guys like watching all these movies that are scary.
I ordered this. What is it called again? Lasagna. I hope it's really nice. And some fries. And Yolanda has lamb chops. You got lamb chops yesterday. And my babe has, what's this? It's just steak.
Peppered steak.
It looks really nice. Oh, peppered steak. See the views. Let me show you this thing. You see, I
How about Yolanda? Is it the best decision you made? Your lamb chops.
They're not nice like yesterday. Yesterday was all not nice. Hey you guys, so we just finished eating and I don't know what we're gonna be doing next, but just be downstairs chilling. I'll let you guys know what we're up to. The food is gone, literally. Like there's nothing. Are we gonna order what you call it? Dessert? Yeah, even me, I'm full. So yeah, we'll see you guys downstairs. So we didn't end up going downstairs. Look at the red guy. I'm literally. So anyway, are we still gonna be here or we're going somewhere else? We'll go to the jacuzzi. We'll go check it out. That's good. We're gonna go check out the jacuzzi. We'll see you guys.
You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drip, they set it up, I got them on it. I bought a new bag, I had to watch, so I two-tone. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. It ain't your car, you just a listen, you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that 5 on the performing. The back end just came in and out hunters. Dogs a little cute shit, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she comes. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running. Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little fire, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie getting ready. Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little fire, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night, another movie.
So right now it's like, what time is it? It's like 9. We're gonna have breakfast, then we're gonna come back and I'm gonna do a house tour, and you know, just the usual when I go like on a vacation, the usual videos. And I'll show you guys what we'll be up to today. House tour. Tour. Hey. That's good. Okay. So let me show you guys the bathroom first. So this is our bathroom. This is Yolanda's loofah. It's like 2 mirrors at the sides. It's not that big, but you know, it's pretty cute. So this is the room when you get in. It's so cute. I like the colors. And this is where we do our makeup. And yeah, where we do makeup again. And the TV, ironing board. We requested that it doesn't come with an ironing board. My cocktail here. The mattress on my bag is cute. So I'll put this here. Let me show you guys. This is my food. And a Cosmo.
Double cheeseburger.
Oh, it's a double cheeseburger and some fries. Yeah, so we're just gonna have lunch now. You have to come back. You have to come. I came back. You can do this. You can do it.
I know you dig the way my step, the way my make me stride. Follow your feeling, baby girl, because they cannot be denied. Come check me in the night, I make me get it amplified. But if you run the ship, and I go slip, and I go slide. In other words, the love I got to give it certified. I give it the toughest, longest time for ride. Girl,
baby boy, you stay on my mind.
come on, girl.